Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Friday, March 14th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Key currencies showed mixed movement against the greenback. The US dollar weakened against the euro, showing a very strong negative trend. Meanwhile, the dollar broke higher against the yen, gaining 0.82 points after 3 days of flat trading. Looking at returns, month-to-date figures show notable weakness in the greenback, particularly against the euro, with a decline of 4.67%. The dollar has also retreated against the British pound, down 2.75% for the month, while showing a more modest decline of 1.32% against the Japanese yen. In other currency pairs, the US dollar fell significantly against the Kiwi, down 0.94%. The greenback broke lower against the yuan after 4 days of sideways movement, while maintaining a strong negative trend. Month-to-date performance shows the greenback declining broadly, with notable weakness of 2.7% against the New Zealand dollar and 1.35% against the Singapore dollar. The US currency has shown relative resilience against the Canadian dollar, limiting its monthly decline to 0.67%.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Brazil led gains, rising 4.1% with 4 consecutive up days. Austria and Poland both achieved new all-time highs, while China broke out from recent consolidation with strong upward momentum. Looking at returns, Poland stands out with a 36% gain year-to-date. Austria has risen nearly 26% this year, while Brazil shows strong momentum with a 7% gain month-to-date. Sweden has advanced 19% year-to-date despite recent weakness. Among underperforming markets, Indonesia broke down from sideways movement, falling nearly 1% with strong negative trend. Hong Kong remains flat after 5 days of consolidation, while India shows persistent weakness despite today's modest gain. Year-to-date returns show Indonesia down over 10% and India declining 7%. Despite recent weakness, Chile has gained 20% this year and hit a new one-year high today. Switzerland maintains a strong positive trend with a 14% year-to-date return.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures reached a new all-time high, closing at 2,991.70, marking its 4th consecutive up day. Silver futures and copper futures both show very strong positive trends, with notable upward volatility. Aluminum futures gained 26 points. Year-to-date returns show copper futures leading with a 21.1% gain, followed by silver futures at 17.1%. Gold futures has advanced 13.3%, while aluminum and palladium show more modest gains around 6%. In energy markets, Brent crude and crude oil futures both broke upward from 3 days of flat trading, despite maintaining very strong negative trends. Natural gas shows a mixed positive trend, while gasoline futures maintain strong upward momentum. Year-to-date performance shows natural gas leading energy futures with a 12.7% gain. Gasoline has advanced 6.9%. Both Brent and crude oil are down over 5% for the year, while heating oil has declined 6.5%. Live cattle futures extended its winning streak to 3 days, showing upward volatility with a very strong positive trend. Lean hogs gained 1.1% after 3 days of flat trading. Class II milk maintains a very strong negative trend. Year-to-date returns show feeder cattle leading with a 6.7% gain, closely followed by lean hogs at 6.5%. Live cattle has advanced 6%. Class 2I milk shows weakness, down 8.6% for the year. In grains, rough rice dropped for a third consecutive day, breaking downward from recent consolidation. Soybean futures broke upward after 3 flat days. Wheat maintains a strong positive trend despite today's slight decline. Year-to-date, oat futures lead grains with an 11.3% gain. Wheat has advanced 4.8%, while soybeans show minimal movement. Rough rice has declined 3.2% since the year began. In soft commodities, cocoa fell sharply, closing down 3.4% at 7,888. Coffee futures dropped 2.2% to 377.20, marking its third consecutive down day. Orange juice continued its significant decline, recording its 5th straight lower close and hitting a one-year low at 259.25. Looking at returns, orange juice shows considerable weakness with a 47% year-to-date decline. Cocoa is down 32% for the year. In contrast, coffee futures stands out with an 18% gain year-to-date, while sugar and cotton remain relatively flat.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Liquidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency and commodities. Thanks for watching.